From a broker perspective and an agent perspective, it's going to be a little bit different. So from a broker perspective, you've got to think about recruiting, right? As I said before, there is a 20% churn typically every year in and out of the industry. So you're losing agents. There's lots of competition. EXP is grabbing a lot of agents right now and teams and pulling them into their platform. So recruitment for a broker has become essential. So you need a tool that's going to help you do that. And whether that's just an organizational tool that's going to allow you to see who you've talked to, when you talk to them, when they're going to be ready to go. Because it's all about keeping that business stable, if not growing it, right? That's what you're always trying to do as a broker. You're not going to want to stay at 5 agents. You want to keep growing and growing and growing, right? Yeah. So that's important. And then the tech stack, the part that's really difficult, what a real estate agent is, it's an individual business owner, typically, right? Under an umbrella of a larger franchise. So they'll go out and invest in their own types of technology and avoid the broker stuff. But the real important part for the broker is getting those agents to adopt the technology, because the adoption means retention, right? If I can get them to adopt my technology, I'm going to have an easier time retaining those people. And if they're having a good experience, they're going to be at a conference and they're going to talk about it at that conference. Therefore, giving me the ability to possibly recruit even harder and grow my business even better. So that's what I would look at from that side, right? On top of the regular stuff that CRMs are going to do, like the contact management side of it, the marketing. But from a broker, the recruiting, the retention to drive more revenue is going to be key. From the individual agent, it's all about user experience and ease of use. So the products that you buy, sadly today, if you look at, even if we look at Chime, our users are probably only taking advantage of 20 to 25% of what the product actually does. So where the technology industry has failed a little bit with the agent group is the training side of things, making sure that everybody knows what your product can do from start to finish, right? So the social media marketing is typically built in, marketing is built in, so your SEO, your pay-per-click, the follow-up side of your business is all built in. You're going to send drip campaigns, you're going to build, we call them smart lists, where that's following a methodology that can guarantee your success and your conversion rates of your leads. So let's talk about leads for a second. When I started in the business, I was working for topproducer/realtor.com, and lead conversion for very expensive leads were about 1%. Today, when you think about what Zillow Flex or realtor.com is doing, they're up around 7 or 8%. So just because technology has taken advancements and we've listened to what the real estate agent is really looking for, we've been able to create better conversion rates, right? So some of the CRM platforms are able to help the agents walk the client through a better experience. So they come in as a lead, and then Chime takes them and moves them through different positions. And eventually it can take anywhere from 1 day to 1.5 years to 2 years before they actually transact. But as a realtor, you have to keep touch points happening. So those technologies have all adapted in the last 10 years, and it's great to see, to be honest with you.